Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can share folders from your cloud backup on iDrive with your friends and contacts or coworkers. So let us get started. So head over to iDrive, navigate to your cloud backup, and here guys, navigate also to the folder you would like to share. So let me select my device here, go with that folder, and let me go with this folder here. So what you want to do is click into that arrow down icon to expand that menu, and after that click into share. Alternately, you may click into share here in the top left for the selected folder. And after that guys, you will see that window here. So here you'll be given the opportunity to create a shareable link, just like that. So I'll click into it to generate it. After that it will be generated, so you may copy it to your clipboard, as you can see. And now you can use that link here guys to send it to your friends and contacts via direct messaging services, emails, social media posts, and so on and so forth, for example. And yeah, give your contacts access to that folder, for instance. And that's basically it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.